Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can react to an Instagram post using GIFs. This is like a new feature, so just select the comment section button here, and to add in a GIF you're just going to select the GIF button here, and I'm just going to type in the GIF that I want. I'm just going to type in the word like wow. I'm just going to select this one for instance, and then as you can see it will be posted. I think it's just my internet, but you're just going to basically post that GIF or any GIF you want, and that is basically how you can comment a GIF on Instagram. It is a new feature, so make sure you update your app first. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye!